Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of four popular password managers: 1Password, Dashlane, Authy, and Nordpass. These tools are designed to help you manage and secure your passwords, but they each offer unique features and benefits. We'll examine each one in depth to help you decide which is the best fit for your needs. 1Password offers a variety of features, including secure password generation, encrypted storage, and biometric login. Dashlane also provides secure password generation, encrypted storage, and automatic password changing. Authy, on the other hand, focuses on two-factor authentication, while Nordpass offers password generation and storage, but lacks some advanced features like automatic password changing. 1Password and Dashlane have similar pricing structures with both free and premium plans. Authy is completely free, but it has limited functionality compared to the others. Nordpass also offers a free version, but to access all its features, you'll need the premium version. 1Password and Dashlane offer a seamless and intuitive user experience with easy navigation and clear instructions. Authy's interface is simple and straightforward, focusing on its core function of two-factor authentication. Nordpass, while still user-friendly, has a slightly more complex interface due to its range of features. 1Password integrates with a wide range of apps and browsers, while Dashlane offers similar integrations and also syncs with digital wallets. Authy integrates primarily with sites that require two-factor authentication. Nordpass does not integrate with as many apps or browsers as the others. 1Password and Dashlane perform well in most circumstances, with fast load times and efficient operation. Authy also performs well, but its functionality is limited to two-factor authentication. Nordpass performs well, but may slow down when managing large numbers of passwords. All four password managers offer strong security measures. 1Password and Dashlane use AES 256 encryption, and Dashlane also offers a VPN for added security. Authy provides secure two-factor authentication, and Nordpass uses XChacha20 encryption, which is considered even more secure than AES 256. 1Password and Dashlane offer extensive support options, including live chat and email. Authy provides support via email and has an extensive FAQ section. Nordpass offers email support and a comprehensive knowledge base, but lacks live chat support. Considering all factors, Dashlane emerges as the winner. It offers a comprehensive feature set, including automatic password changing and a VPN for added security. It also provides a seamless user experience with extensive integrations and reliable performance. Finally, its support options, including live chat, make it a strong choice for users of all levels. Thank you for watching our comparison of 1Password, Dashlane, Authy, and Nordpass. We hope this has been helpful in your decision-making process. Please like and subscribe for more reviews and comparisons like this one. We appreciate your support.